10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Website Backup. Ensuring that a WordPress website is consistently backed up is crucial for data protection and recovery. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to guide users on the topic of WordPress website backup. 1. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup basics. Why is it important to regularly back up my WordPress website? 2. Best ChatGPT prompt for choosing WordPress backup plugins. What are the best plugins to back up my WordPress site, and how do they compare? 3. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup frequency. How often should I back up my WordPress website? 4. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup storage. Where should I store my backup files? Are cloud solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox reliable? 5. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress database backup. Can you explain the process of backing up my WordPress database? 6. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress full versus partial backup. What's the difference between a full website backup and a partial backup? 7. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress manual backup. How can I manually back up my WordPress website without using a plugin? 8. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress restoring from backup. I've backed up my site. How do I restore it from a backup if something goes wrong? 9. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup security. How can I ensure that my backup files are secure from potential threats? 10. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup scheduling. Can I set automatic scheduled backups for my WordPress site? How? Using these prompts with ChatGPT, users can acquire detailed knowledge and best practices about backing up their WordPress website, ensuring that they're prepared for any unforeseen issues or data loss scenarios. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.